Hello everyone, my name is Ling Jitshuan from DFT Year 2 Sem 3 Student, and I am the group leader of this Fundamental of Computer Networks assignment. And my team members is Dan Ji Cheng and Ku Huan Jiang. And now let us start our presentation. Introduction. Today I'm excited to share our plan for a new network that will connect and support the university, the two main campuses in KL. This network is designed to grow with the university and uses modern technology to ensure that everything runs smoothly and quickly, and we have organized it so that it can easily handle more users in the future and help different departments and faculties work together better. Our goal is to improve how the university operates and help everyone communicate more effectively. And next, here are the location B of our network topology design. So we have a look first. And now we proceed to Danji Cheng.
My name is Tanji Cheng. I would like to talk about the addressing design that describe how we design and allocate the host devices quantity. This is the addressing design table for all of the departments and faculties. I will only explain the chancellery part as an example. There are 3 divisions in it, and all of them are using the same intermediary devices. It is multi-layer switch and wireless access point. For the end devices, PC, printer, phone, and server is connecting to multi-layer switch with the copper straight through cable. And laptop, tablet, smartphone is connecting to wireless access point with the Wi-Fi. And how we allocate the number of host devices is based on the total host the department needs and refer to how a realistic company looks like. Next, addressing table before growth rate. It is using classful IPv4 addressing scheme. The first step to calculate it is to find the largest host required, so it's 400. And the next step is to find 2 power of what can be larger than 400, so it's 9. Because of the classful, all of the maximum hosts will be the same. Then we use 512 divided by 256, we get 2. Then we add to the IP address 10.0.0.0, we can get the network address. Then we use 32 minus 9, we can get the CIDR 23. Then we can get the subnet mask by calculating it 23.1 and convert it from binary to decimal, we can get the subnet mask. We use network address plus 1, we can get the first usable address. Then use the next network address minus 1, we can get the broadcast address. Then use broadcast address minus 1, get the last usable address. For the after table, consider future growth rate 55% is similar with the before table. We just have to multiply 155% to the host required. Then just do the same step with the before table. Then it is the network topology. This is how the final looks of our assignment. I will explain the location B faculty of Business and Language Studies. It has 100 hosts and we are using multi-layer switch as the sub-switch. It has 24 ports, so 100 divided by 24 we get 4.2. Then 4.2 carries out, we get 5 switches is needed. Our network is designed for efficient traffic management and enhanced security. It is scalable to meet future tech demands.
Now is the network configuration part, and let us move on to the Cisco packet tracer. Here, I already make a simple network topology and using the crossover cable and the straight through cable. And we need to put this fast internet port into here and press on. Router is the same. Need to put the fast Ethernet port and turn on. And first of all, we need to enable config, and we can change the router host name first. After that, we interface the fast Ethernet 0/0 by following which switch you want to assign the IP for them. And assigning the IP address by using the first one and follow the subnet mask of the IP calculation that we count. And here are the no shutdown. You must to enter, otherwise you cannot to assign the IP. After this, we need to assign the password line console 0. After enter the password, we need to enter login, otherwise you also cannot assign a password. And after that, you assign the VTY password to all the lines by using 0 to 15. Also the same as the line console. After that, we need to encrypt. Before encrypt, we need to enable the secret password and we encrypt it. After you encrypt, you can exit. You can saw that you need to enter the password first and you only can reach to the next level. Now, it's for the switch. For the hostname, it's the same method as the router, but now the interface we need to change to VLAN 1 and assign the IP for them and following the same subnet mask, and for this one is start from 2 because cannot start from 1. And it's the same, but here need to assign the IP default gateway for the switch. And here are the PC IP configuration. You just enter the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway to them. And here our assignment, network topology design. We use the same method to do the assignment.
Hello, I'm Ku Wan Jiang from Group 14. I'm going to talk about network configuration part. This is our table for network topology. We have 7 fast internet interface because there is 7 departments. We use before IP calculation to assign the IP address. The default gateway for sensorily department is 10.0.0.1. We plus 1 to get the IP address, which is 10.0.0.2, and need to mention that IP address cannot be duplicated. This is the table of other departments, which is bursary and administration department, international and local admission department, marketing and student affairs department. For location B, we got 2 departments like Faculty of Business and Language Studies. Second is Faculty of Information and Technology. Now is the part of pin connectivity. First, we need to pin from location A to location B. We find the IP address 10.0.f.13. As we can see, we receive 3 packets, which means the device is connected to each other. Now we try to pin from same location but different department. So successfully pin. Last, we pin from same department but different room. So we received 4 packets. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.